10 Simple Ways to Make $100 a Day Using AI. Article 6. Scaling Up Your Efforts. As you embark on the thrilling journey of harnessing artificial intelligence to generate income, reaching a point of initial success is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in scaling your efforts effectively, without losing momentum or compromising quality. We will guide you through practical strategies leveraging AI technologies to expand your operations and maximize your revenue potential. To scale your business, start by identifying processes that can be automated. Automation saves time and minimizes errors, enabling you to concentrate on strategic growth instead of repetitive tasks. Many advanced software solutions are available for automating customer service inquiries, inventory management, and more. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer queries around the clock, providing instant support and freeing human resources for more complex issues. Tools like Zendesk or Intercom integrate AI chatbots into their platforms, enabling businesses to maintain high levels of customer satisfaction while significantly reducing response times. Consider automating your marketing with platforms like HubSpot or MailChimp, which provide AI-driven insights into consumer behavior. These tools enable effective audience segmentation and personalized messaging. Automating email campaigns and social media posts can save time and boost engagement rates. Automation can help businesses run more smoothly, but some tasks still need a human touch, especially in content creation and design. Outsourcing is a smart way to grow your business without getting overwhelmed, while keeping quality high. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you to freelancers around the world. These freelancers can often help with various projects, such as graphic design, copywriting, or programming, at competitive prices. By clearly defining project scopes and expectations through well-crafted briefs supported by AI analytics, such as performance metrics from previous campaigns, you ensure that the work delivered meets your standards, while allowing you more time to focus on growing other business areas. Quality control is crucial during this phase of scaling. Therefore, incorporating project management tools powered by AI insights, such as Asana or Trello, can help keep projects organized and teams aligned with objectives. These platforms often include features for tracking progress against deadlines, while providing analytics on team productivity levels, so adjustments can be made proactively when necessary. Consider expanding product lines or entering new markets as part of your growth strategy after establishing efficient processes through automation and effective outsourcing. Researching new niches requires diligent market analysis, the very foundation laid out in earlier chapters, about identifying lucrative niches using data-driven techniques enhanced by AI tools. Utilizing predictive analytics software allows businesses to forecast trends within their industry accurately. This means knowing where demand lies before competitors do. Tools like Google Trends combined with social listening tools, like Brandwatch, enable entrepreneurs not only to ascertain emerging popular products, but also to understand evolving consumer sentiments toward them, which is crucial information when planning product launches targeted at specific demographics eager for innovative solutions. Once you've identified opportunities worth pursuing, further exploration should involve developing minimum viable products, MVPs. This approach allows entrepreneurs flexibility in testing ideas, while mitigating risk, since feedback obtained during testing phases informs future iterations, leading toward refinement, until achieving a successful launch becomes feasible. Remember, scaling does not solely mean increasing output volume. It encompasses improving efficiency across all fronts, from resource allocation decisions informed by analytical reports generated via advanced AI algorithms, to refining customer experiences, enhancing loyalty over time. Scaling up efforts within an AI-driven business landscape involves embracing technology across multiple dimensions, from leveraging automation technologies to simplify everyday functions, to intelligently outsourcing where needed. Robust project management systems ensure seamless communication among teams working together towards shared goals, all culminating in greater profitability achieved sustainably over time. As we move forward into our next chapter, focused on overcoming challenges faced during this exhilarating yet demanding process, let's remember, every hurdle presents an opportunity for innovation. After all, maintaining momentum requires adaptability, coupled with resilience, which fosters long-term success.